Number 22. What is the balanced chemical equation for anaerobic respiration in yeast? So yeast can do both aerobic and anaerobic respirations. So when it goes on the anaerobic respiration, it changes glucose molecules into ethanol and CO2. So we just have to find ethanol and CO2 here. This is the chemical formula for glucose, and this is the chemical formula for ethanol. To be more precise, is this. So there are 2 moles of ethanol molecules produced, and also 2 moles of CO2 produced from 1 mole of glucose. So the answer for this question is C. Okay?